Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot IV curves are where solar problems confess. The challenge is having enough eyes and enough time to actually read them, because once portfolios scale into thousands of strings, manual analysis breaks down fast. Traditional IV analysis works when you're sampling a handful of strings, but modern solar operations are managing tens of thousands of assets across multiple sites. Manual interpretation simply does not scale beyond small samples. That's where ClearSpot's IV analysis agents come in. They're designed to ingest massive volumes of IV curve data and identify failure patterns automatically across an entire portfolio. Quick refresher: a healthy IV curve follows a predictable shape with stable current, a smooth knee point, and expected voltage behavior. But faults distort that shape in very specific ways. Soiling reduces current. Mismatch creates irregular step behavior. PID shifts voltage characteristics. Failed bypass diodes create multiple knees. Wiring issues distort overall curve consistency. The important point is this: every electrical issue leaves a fingerprint, and IV curves capture those fingerprints directly. Instead of engineers manually reviewing thousands of individual traces, the IV agent processes them in bulk. It clusters curves based on shape similarity. Then it flags groups associated with known failure modes. Each cluster receives a probability score, indicating confidence in the diagnosis. That means engineers aren't starting from raw data anymore. They start from organized fault intelligence. The system essentially performs the first layer of triage automatically. This changes how inspection teams spend their time. Instead of spot-checking random strings, engineers begin with a map of likely failure modes and suspected locations. The agent has already done the sorting. What used to require hours of manual interpretation becomes a prioritized workflow. You investigate the highest probability clusters first. You validate patterns in the field, and you move from reactive troubleshooting to structured diagnostics. So how does this fit into actual operations? Simple. During routine inspections or maintenance campaigns, IV traces are uploaded directly into the analysis pipeline. The agent processes the data and generates grouped fault reports. Field teams then verify flagged conditions on site. Confirmed issues can feed directly into maintenance workflows or work orders. That means less time interpreting data and more time resolving problems. To make this practical, we included two resources with this episode. The first is the IV Curve Fault Atlas, a visual guide to common fault signatures. The second is a sample AI cluster report showing how grouped diagnostics are presented in the field. These are the same types of workflows engineering teams use to accelerate inspections at scale. You can download both resources directly from the ClearSpot demo page. Just request the IV Curve Resource Pack linked with this episode. And if you want to see the IV Analysis Agent working on real portfolio data, book a live walkthrough with the team. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decision.